we're in this. We are on this little blue marble together.
The way to reverse global warming is to address human needs.
There's lots of problems that need to be solved.
It seems impossible, but it's not.
SU exists to help move the world forward in a positive way. And at our core, we believe in being exponential. And for us, that means behaving with the benefit of others in mind and using the smartest and most powerful tools and technologies to solve the world's great problems.
The world's biggest problems and the world's biggest business opportunities. Want to become a billionaire, help a billion people.
Singularity has a magnificent way of bringing people together from all different fields, all different disciplines to get into that flow state to really create change.
We are Next Biotics, and we are a biotechnology platform that engineers viruses for good.
Innovation and creating the future is a team sport. It's not just artificial intelligence or robotics or drones and 3D printing or health and medical. It's bringing innovative minds together.
I have the largest media program in the United States where kids mentor each other.
For me, just the overarching purpose, which is understanding exponential technologies and how can we better the world and build successful companies, just really resonates with me.
There's a bit of this energy around Singularity University, a bit of serendipity about people who come together who would never have mixed paths.
Things that could take you a week to figure out happens in like minutes, seconds,
Well, sometimes even by hearing about a different challenge, it gives you a new perspective on your own. So I think all of this just ignites action.
We're going to fight antibiotic resistance, engineering bacteriophage using CRISPR.
As a public servant, I want them to realize that the technologies that we're pursuing make sense to them, right? It serves the public for the greater good.
I think by coming to an event like this, people think of themselves as connected to something greater, to being part of a community. And I think that actually brings out a kind of a selfless quality in people, which is really amazing to see here.
The only way you will achieve success and change will be to have a diverse group of people from diverse cultures to come together as a global community.
We have almost 1,600 people from more than 64 countries represented in the room today. This may very well be the most diverse group meeting today on the planet.
Being in a group with like-minded individuals, it's really contagious, the energy that goes back and forth, the learning that goes back and forth. It's really magnetic.
Gosh, it's been magical. It just gives me a glow every time I think about being here.
It's refreshing, You can have other conversations, you can see other perspectives.
It's the fortuitous conversations that aren't planned, that happen literally when you bump into someone.
So I recommend anyone that is a constant learner and wants to always innovate and think about how they can better themselves and their businesses and society, that this is a tremendous organization to be a part of.
It's awesome. I like it.
It's a very nice and positive way to end. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you.